Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we will explore Rigetti Computing in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You wouldn't want to overlook any vital updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since the 2nd of May, 2025, our system has identified Rigetti Computing as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 7.47. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 30.39% since we first recommended Rigetti Computing as a buy candidate just 15 days ago. This translates to an average return of 2.03% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock has broken through a significant and robust short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of ascent. Should there be any pullback, support will be found at the ceiling of the current trend, which has been breached at $13.10. This level could present a second opportunity for a substantial gain. According to fan theory, $17.41 is projected to be the next potential peak, serving as a resistance level that might not be surpassed on the initial attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of 22.82% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from negative 22.06% to positive 16.12%. In the long term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 117.23%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 27.53% and 295.82% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $17.68 and $54.86. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing includes the headline, High Volatility in Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock price on Thursday, which ended trading at $13.86. The Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock price rose by 26.46% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, increasing from $10.96 to $13.86. During that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 31.99%, ranging from a low of $10.94 to a high of $14.44. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 34.43% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 97 million more shares were traded than the previous day, bringing the overall trading volume to 163 million shares, valued at approximately $2.26 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $21.42, while the lowest price stood at 66 cents. Currently, the price is 35.29% or $7.56 below the 52-week high of $21.42, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Rigetti Computing, or RGTI, has captured significant market attention recently, particularly due to the surging interest in quantum computing. In the past year, RGTI stocks skyrocketed by nearly 943%, indicating a strong appetite from investors in this innovative space. While the company reported a 52% drop in revenue year over year, investors remain intrigued by the transformative potential that quantum computing holds for sectors ranging from drug discovery to artificial intelligence. Despite some volatility, including a notable dip of 23% earlier this month, speculation surrounds Rigetti's future trajectory. Analysts are even drawing comparisons to tech giants like Nvidia, suggesting that if RGTI capitalizes on its growth potential, it could see substantial gains in the years ahead. However, the recent actions of hedge fund billionaire Israel Englander, who sold 80% of his shares, raise questions about the stock's stability. While some may view this as a red flag, it also creates a ripe environment for opportunistic investors looking to buy the dip. In the short term, expect fluctuations as the market digests both the promising future of quantum computing and Rigetti's recent earnings miss. Long-term prospects appear more favorable, provided the company can turn these high expectations into tangible results. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, it was reported that Craig Hallam assigned RGTI a buy grade with an initialize action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley assigned RGTI a buy grade with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Rigetti Computing stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have issued a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. The chart today shows mostly positive signals. Rigetti Computing, Incorporated, stock currently presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal arises from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support can be anticipated at the levels of approximately $11.97 and $9.71. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 4th of April, 2025, and thus far, the stock has appreciated by 84.80%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or NACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 34 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 150 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 19 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 24 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 35 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $11.92 and $11.64. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Rigetti Computing Inc. finds support just below today's level at $11.92. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $11.64 and $11.22. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $3.50 between its high and low, or 31.99%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 14.47%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, consider entering a position and using volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Rigetti Computing encounters its first support level at $11.92. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 20th of May, 2025, Kulkarni Subodh K conducted an insider buy of 1 million shares of common stock. On the same day, Kulkarni Subodh K also conducted an insider sell of 1 million shares of employee stock options, which grants the right to buy. Additionally, on the 20th of May, 2025, Kulkarni Subodh K sold another 1 million shares of common stock. On the 19th of May, 2025, Bertelsen Jeffrey A made an insider buy of 218,750 shares of common stock. On the same day, Bertelsen Jeffrey A sold 218,750 shares of employee stock options. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 19.473. Overall, insiders purchased 8,413,781 shares and sold 7,620,419 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $13.34, representing a decline of 3.72%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal originating from a pivot bottom identified 33 days ago. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators are showing positive signs, and the stock has broken through its upward trend, suggesting a stronger rate of increase. This leads us to conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Rigetti Computing Inc. stock to perform well in the near term. Consequently, we have upgraded our analysis from a hold or accumulate rating to a strong buy recommendation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 23rd of May, we anticipate that Rigetti Computing will open lower by 78 cents and start trading at $13.08. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.